యువర్ ఒరిజినల్ నేమ్ ఇస్ ప్రియా ప్రకాష్ వారియర్, రైట్? మీ పేరెంట్స్ పెట్టిన నేమే. సో మూవీలో వచ్చాక ఏమీ చేంజ్ చేయలేదు.
It's the most common name you'll find anywhere. In your friend circle, there'll be at least 5 Priyas that you know. Yes. So I've not changed my name. It's
మీరు బేసిక్గా బీకామ్ చేసినట్టున్నారు.
yes.
కానీ అసలు ఎక్కడా కామ్గా ఉండే లక్షణం ఒక్కటి కనపడలేదు.
Yeah, again, studies, definitely I wanted to do it just for the sake of it. My childhood dream has always been becoming an actor. So I just didn't want to disappoint my parents because, you know, I had already started my course and I just wanted to complete it and graduate so that, you know, I can say that, okay, I'm a degree holder now. And then continue with my dream.
ఎంతమంది మీకు బ్రదర్స్ అండ్ సిస్టర్స్?
I have one younger brother.
Okay.
He's in 10th grade now.
Okay.
So he's busy with his studies and online classes and all that.
Can I ask you one thing, if you don't mind? Tattoo ఏంటిది యాక్చువల్లీ? What is this?
This is Carpe Diem.
Oh.
Yeah, Carpe Diem means seize the day.
Okay.
So, yeah.
సో స్టడీస్కి బీకామ్ దగ్గర ఫుల్ స్టాప్ పెట్టేసినట్టేనా?
As of now, I would say it's a semicolon. It's not a full stop yet.
Okay.
Because my mom still wants that, you know, maybe I do my master's, my MBA at some point of time. But as of now, I want to like really focus on movies. And maybe in 2 years, I shall, you know, consider maybe correspondence or something.
తెలుగులో ఇది మీది సెకండ్ మూవీ అని.
Second movie.
కదా, మీరు నితిన్ గారితో, హీరో నితిన్తో ఒక మూవీ చేశారు. దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ సెకండ్ మూవీ. సో నితిన్ గారితో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపించింది? ఎందుకంటే నేను అప్పటి నుంచి చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. నౌ ఐ గాట్ ఎన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు ఇంటరాక్ట్ విత్ యూ.
We didn't have a lot of combination scenes. If you watch Check, you'll understand that my screen space is only 15-20 minutes duration. So I think maximum we might have got 10 days of shoot.
Okay.
And it was really intense for him because he was already in the characters and it's a very intense kind of role that he has to play. So he was always in that mood. And for me, it was my first experience, so I was just, you know, being bubbly. I was having fun and doing my own thing. But even though he was a very senior actor, I didn't have that sort of stress or pressure working around him. He always like made me feel very comfortable.
Okay.
And if I don't understand something, since it was my first movie, now that I've completed 2 movies and I'm still doing another Telugu movie, I really follow what other people are saying.
Oh.
But when I was doing Check, it was just like people are talking some foreign language in front of me. I wouldn't understand anything. Everything felt like they were scolding me. So I wouldn't understand. So he would tell me, if I don't understand something, he would tell me this and they said this and this.
Yeah.
So this is what you have to do. So yeah.
మొత్తానికి నిన్న తేజ ప్లస్ గంగవ్వతో బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసినట్టున్నారు.
Again, Telugu, basic Telugu only now I understand. Gangava was saying some other level Telugu and I'm like, oh my god. But again, her riddles I understood. And I could answer.
Yes.
So I had fun.
యా, నిన్న మీరు దానిమ్మకాయని కూడా చెప్పారు కదా, పొమోగ్రనేట్. దట్స్ నైస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో తెలుగులో వర్క్ చేశారు, మీ మలయాళం వర్క్ చేశారు, తమిళ్, హిందీ కూడా వర్క్ చేశారు. సో ఎక్కడ మీకు డిఫరెన్స్ కనిపెడుతుంది? విచ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ యాక్చువల్లీ మీరు ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏ డిఫరెన్స్ చూసారంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
I feel like I'm only like I'm really new to this and I'm only a newcomer, so I wouldn't know much in detail in comparison between them, but I know that for a fact that since from the audience point of view, I know that Malayalam movies are a little more content driven. Yeah. And you know, it's way more realistic and story based, but Telugu audience, they have different sort of expectations from their movie. They like their commercial elements, they like their songs, their fights. So that is the only difference that I see here and there.
మీ మూవీస్ మీ పేరెంట్స్ చూస్తారా? మీ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ వాళ్ళు చూస్తారా?
Till now I don't think they've watched it in theaters.
Okay.
Because during Check also they wanted to come, but again I have a younger brother and I have to consider his things and his studies as well, and his exams were going on. So my parents couldn't leave him and come here, and Check did not release in Kerala also.
ఓకే
So they later on they watched it when it released on the OTT platform, and even now Ishq, I don't think they can come because Sidhu again has an exam. So till now I watched myself on big screen. I don't think they have experienced that, you know, big screen experience till now. But I would really love it if they could come and watch Ishq maybe after the first week or something. I'll be trying till I get them here.
ఓకే యాక్చువల్లీ అమ్మ నాన్నగారు ఐ మీన్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ యువర్ ఫాదర్ మదర్ వాట్ దే డూ ప్రొఫెషనల్లీ
My mom's a homemaker, and dad works for the Central Excise in Customs.
ఓకే
So yeah, that's about them.
Hi, this is Isha Chawla.
This is Manara Chopra.
Hi, this is Kartikeya.
నేను డైరెక్టర్ తేజ అని.
Press the bell icon for more updates.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDreams.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And you're watching iDream Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream Media.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the button below.
Don't forget to subscribe to iDream.